Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tag people on Instagram Reels. Want to mention or tag people in your Instagram Reels? In this video I'll show you 2 ways to tag someone on Instagram Reels. The first step is to tag people before posting. Now, after editing your reel, let's go to Instagram. Let's record a reel by swiping on the left section and click select reel from the bottom. Click on start a new video and then record a reel. Now after you finish, click on next and click on next again. You can first of all you can edit the video and click on this section right here with the writing on it, and then enter the arrowbas symbol followed by the account name you want to tag, and you can add it to your reel. Now if this for other ways, just go and click on next, click on next again. Now here in this section you'll see the option to tag people. Click on it and click on add the tag and search for users by name. You can search for users by name, and once you find the user, just click on it to add it to your tag list. The third step and the final one is to post your reel. And to do that, after tagging people, just click on share the reel. Click on share and the person you tagged will be notified. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to tag people on Instagram Reels. Use this feature to collaborate, engage and grow your audience. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.